Okay, now we will introduce the portable crown machine. This is the main machine, and this is the replaced heads for the working handle, and this are some spare parts, and this one is bow tie and the water cup and its tubes and the flat caliper working handle. Okay, now we will install the working handle. And before install the working handle, we should press these two buttons beside of the handle first. Press, okay? Press and make sure these two tips are up. Okay, and then match the hole and press. You will hear the sound, then it is finished. When you want to remove it, also the same operation. Press these two buttons and then pick out. It is okay. Now we will install. Okay, this is the wastewater bottle. Okay, when the liquid inside beyond to the 2/3, we should clean the water inside. Then we should remove this bottle, just like you can use a hand or use a tool to turn. Then take out. Okay, but please make sure that this rubber inside must be there. Okay, otherwise it will influence the suction of the working handle. Okay, clean out. Okay, after cleaning the liquid inside, we should install well again the bottle. We can turn like this and make sure it is tightened, okay? And we also have another option to clean the liquid inside. That is, we can use a towel, okay? You can see here is a tip. Use a towel to press the tip, then the water will come out. That will be another choice. Okay, before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside. Okay, this is the water inlet hole, water outlet hole, and the water overflow hole. Okay, when we want to inject the water, we have to insert two holes. One is the water inlet hole. Okay, press this silver button first, and then insert the water cup into the water inlet hole. Okay, when you want to remove it, also press the silver button, then take out. That will be okay. Okay, this is the first hole we should insert. And we should insert another tube to the water overflow hole. When the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole. And the same operation, press the silver button, then press the tube. Okay, then we can inject the water. Okay, when you don't need to use this machine anymore, we should inject this tube to the water outlet hole. Okay, then the water will come out from the tubes. Okay, now we will start the machine. We just need to turn this key. And you can see that we have two functions for option. This is the freezing function. Okay. When you enter into this screen, you can see we can adjust the treatment time here. Okay, for the cryo treatment, normally is 16 minutes. Okay, you can adjust by yourself. And here is the temperature adjustment. The lowest temperature can reach to the minus 13. Okay. And the mode adjustment, pulse mode or the continue mode, and the vacuum. And normally we suggest to start from a lower level for the vacuum, okay, and also the temperature. Okay, after setting that, press start button, and at the same time press the white button on the working handle. Then the treatment will be started. This is the second function, okay? You can see that we can choose heating first, and then cooling, and then heating again. The treatment time can be adjusted by yourself, okay? And this is the temperature for adjustment. You can also adjust it by yourself, okay? And the modes for option, pause mode, continue mode, and the vacuum adjustment. After setting, okay, after setting, just press start. Okay. Okay, before doing the cryo treatment, we should put the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part. And the size you can choose according to the treatment part, okay? Okay, after putting the membranes, we should put the working handle on the treatment part, just like this. Okay. And last step, we should press the button. Then the treatment will be started.